we are discussing the concept of hashing. So hashing is also known as a searching technique to search the numbers faster, to process the number faster. So hashing is of various types. So we have like a number as 101, 102, let's say 103, 104, and 105. So what is hashing is that these are the keys we have. This is key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, and key 5. So what is hashing? That we are going to create a hash function, and that is applied on key to get a hash value of key. So what is hash value? It can be any value. It is dependent upon a particular kind of scenario. So we have, let's say, hash table, and 1, 2, let's say 3, 4, and 5. So 101 is having a hash value if I'm applying any function on it. So 101 is referring 1, 102 is referring 2, 103 is referring 3, 104 is referring 4, and 105 is referring 5. So this is known as hash table, and the hash values of 101 is 1, hash value of 102 is 2, hash value of 103 is 3, 104 is 4, and 105 is 5. So there is a particular function which is applied to it, and this kind of hashing is known as direct hashing. Means every particular key value is having its unique hash value. So if I'm using 20 key values, so I will have 20 hash values as well. The point is this can be time consuming. It means whatever numbers you are generating that many number of hash values. And again, but the advantage of this is that there will be no collision that can happen in direct hashing. So we are talking about direct hashing, that is also a part of hashing. So the second type of hashing we have already done in Rabin-Karp algorithm is known as modulo hashing. What is modulo hashing here is that we have the numbers like 101, 102, 103, 104, and 105. So these are all key values: key 1, key 2, key 3, key 4, and key 5. So what we will do is we are putting a key, we are putting it with mod, and we are going to mod it with any prime number. Why I'm using prime number? Because in prime number it is not a divisible number as such, so we can get a different kind of a hash value. So if I'm putting a mod with 13 mod and any key, I'm putting 101. So 101 will generate, if 101 is modulus with 13, so it is generating 10. 102 is mod with 13, it is generating 11. 103 mod 13, it is generating 12. 104 mod 13, so it will generate 0. And 105 mod 13, it will generate 1. So it means that your numbers like 0 will represent a mod value of 104. 1 will represent the mod value of 105. 10 is representing the mod value of 101. 11 representing the mod value of 102, and 12 representing the mod value of this. So guys, this is also a particular strategy in which we can get unique hash values. But we can also have collisions. So what is collisions over here? Let's say for example, we are having numbers like 101, 102. We take a number 104, and we take a number as 117, and let's say number as 130. So I'm putting the mod with 13. I guess I will get 10. I will get 11. If I'm putting a mod value with 13, I'll get 0. 117 mod 13, 0, and 130 mod 13, again 0. So will these numbers 0 is representing for 104, 117, and 130? Unfortunately, this is a collision case. Although 101 is represented with 10 and 102 is represented with 11. So this is the technique that will suffer from collision, but we do have some unique values which are generated over here. So we have another methods to resolve this kind of a scenario. Like we have fold shift hashing. Is, let's say we have a key value which is, let's say we have a key value is 123, 456, 789. So I want to create a unique value of this. So what I will do is I will divide it into three parts. So I can do one thing. I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I sum them up, so what is the answer that we are going to get? So 123, 456, 789. So we are getting the number as 1368. If the total key size or if the list size is 3, so we will take three numbers. So we get a unique number as 368. So it means the hash value of 123, 456, 789 is 368, which may not be obtained by any other number. Very tough to get the this number, the same number as a hash value. So this is one thing. We can also have the scenario where I can also use fold boundary hashing. So what is fold boundary hashing? 123, let's say this is a key value, 123, 456, 789. So what I will do in this particular scenario, I will divide it into three parts. So let's say our list size means that how many number of numbers are there in the list. Means 123, 456, 789 can be one number. There can be another number. There can be another number. How fold boundary works. So what we will do, we will reverse it. Right? We can take when we can also reverse this number also. So we got 321, we got 456, we got 987. And if we add them, it becomes 1764. And if list size is 3, so we'll take 764, and 764 is definitely a unique number that we can also have. So guys, the hashing solutions, or if there is any collision in hashing, it can be resolved in various scenarios, whether we use linear probing. Let's say because of one number, let's say we're writing I mod n. I'm getting two same hash values, 1 and 1. Let's say I can write 101 mod 13, right? 101 mod 13, I'm getting 10, right? So similarly, if I write 114, or I write 124 for that matter, mod 13, I may get 10 there as well. So it means that 101 mod 13 and 124 mod 13, because of these numbers, I am getting 10 as the hash value, which is same for both of them. So what I can do is I can add a number, any random number, to 101, and any random number to 124. And then I modulus with 13 so that the answer cannot get same. This is known as linear probing. Or what is quadratic probing? So the same scenario I'm taking, we got 101 mod 13 and 124 mod 13. We are getting 10 in both the cases. What we will do is we will add a random number to scare off this mod 30, and similarly 124 square plus k mod 13. So this is a random number k1 or this is a random number k2. We will not definitely get the same hash value, won't be obtained. Won't be obtained. So this is known as quadratic probing, or it can also be solved by using chaining. Chaining means the hash value 10 is obtained by 101 and 124. Why not create the chain of it? Mean chaining means I'm writing 101 and then I'm also writing 124. So the chaining is done for 101 and 124. So 101 refers 124. So this is known as linked list. Why not create a linked list of it where 101 refers 124? This can be given preference 1. This can be given preference 2. This can also be taken as a solution for this particular collision. So these are the methods in which the collision can be resolved. So thank you for watching. If you have any kind of doubts, kindly ask in comment section. Thank you very, very much.